After spending 5 straight seasons in the Red Stripe Premier League, Reno have been relegated following a 3-2 loss to newcomers Mount Pleasant Academy at the Froome Sports Complex, while Harbour are still battling to remain in the top flight. Here's Spencer Darlington.
Four-time champions Harbour kept their hopes of survival alive after recording a come-from-behind 2-1 win over Cavalier at the compound. The Stars of the East have now moved up to 34 points, 4 above Montego Bay United. Meanwhile, Humberland moved out of the relegation zone and joined Harbour on 34 points, courtesy of a 2-0 win over Tivoli at the Effortville Community Centre. Levon Williams put Humberland in front in the 64th minute, and Corey Hilton made the point safe with a 70th minute strike.
I mean, it's been a lot. I mean, as you look at the position in the table, I mean, everything is very tight. But as I said before in the last interview, we have enough experience to push us over the line and to keep us safe and to start the season better, because we accept the fact that we have a poor season. The people who run the club accept the fact that we have a poor season. But we know we have to continue to push and make sure we are part of the Premier League come next season, and we are a step closer of doing that. So we just have to continue on for the next 2 games.
It definitely dealt to our chance of going forward in terms of making it to the top 6. But we have two games. We don't know what will happen in those games, but definitely we'll still be working just the same way to get the best results as possible.
Newcomers Dunby Holden moved 3 points ahead of Montego Bay United after their 0-0 stalemate with former champions Arnett Gardens. Montego Bay United remain in the relegation zone despite clipping UAFC 2-1 at the Mona Bowl. Kenil Curlew found the game's opener in the 11th minute, but UAFC did not have to wait long to get the equalizer, which came courtesy of Andre Bernal 7 minutes later. Veteran player Dwayne Ambersley then found the winner for MBU in the 39th minute.
Talking before, after the last game that you lose at home was not easy to put everybody together again. To don't let them have that feeling that is done. I don't think so is done. No, we still have a chance, and when we still have a chance, we're gonna fight until the end to try, achieve our target.
Performance was very poor. I think that Mobe were deserving winners. We had possession of the ball, but the rhythm was just not there. We were slow to close them down with the ball as well. And we never created enough chances. They had 2 chances and scored for both. And that's just the nature of the game. We have to do better if we want to contend in the playoffs, or for the playoffs, then we just have to do better.
Meanwhile, with their 3-2 defeat to Mount Pleasant Academy and victories for Montego Bay United, Harbour and Humberland, Reno have now been relegated for the first time since 2012, where they ended the season with 28 points. Thursday's result, which was their 5th consecutive loss, has condemned them to 23 points with 2 matches to go. The win for Mount Pleasant Academy now brings them within 2 points of second-placed Waterhouse. The top-of-the-table clash between Portmore United and Waterhouse at the Prison Oval ended goalless, leaving the battle for the $1 million table-topping prize and the race for the top 6 places still tantalizingly poised.
I think it all came down to decision-making. I think we were not ruthless or clinical in the final third. But yet again, the football gods, I think, would be still pleased, and we move forward, going back to the training ground tomorrow and Saturday, and we'll iron out things that will come back big and strong.
RSPL action continues on Sunday with the penultimate round of games in the regular season. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.